Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the silver chart, 15-minute time frame, and we do have this trend line to the downside. Actually, this is a channel, okay, two trend lines to the downside, and the one from upside is getting broken right now. As you can see, if the body of this candle can close out of this trend line to the upside, and we can enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and look for risk to reward too. And right now we should wait for 2 minutes to for the candle to be closed, then decide based on that. But in bigger time frames, like 1 hour time frame, check if we have something or not. We don't have anything special, but in 4-hour time frame, as I told you in my previous analysis, we did have this trend line broken to the upside, and it is actually in the way to give us a risk to reward 2 of this position here. We did have a position here with a stop loss below the candle, and it actually gave us a reward of 1.8, but for those who are waiting for risk to reward 2, they should wait for the price to go up that they can close their position or manage it. And there's nothing else. You can these resistances in front of the price. If you check the weekly time frame, this one is on 26.9, the other one is on 28.8, the other level is actually 29.9 to 30.2. These resistances are the most important resistances in front of the price. If the price can go up and touch these levels, and if we see some nice candles on them, like a pin bar like this one here, or a nice red candle like this one, we can enter sell position too, and we can risk on them and have some positions. And there is nothing else to say. Thanks for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, the education part, which I'm gonna show you the yesterday's positions on, I think it was 12th of April, and also I say some important notes that you should actually learn from them and trade in the real market. So let's go to the next part. Before we start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also if you liked, you can leave a comment and say your ideas about silver in the next days, what's gonna happen next, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. As you can see here, we are on the silver chart, XAGUSD, a 5-minute time frame. On the first position we did have a trend line, which it was like this at the first look. You connect this one to this one, and it gives us here, when you see that shadow out of the trend line, you extend the trend line, and it is broken here. The body of this candle broke to the upside and closed up of this trend line. We can risk here, enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candles here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 7.6 somewhere here. On the second position we did have this triangle, a compression with 1, 2, 3 touches, and the fourth time it was broken somewhere here. We can risk there, enter buy position. Because these candles are near to our entry point, we can set our stop loss below these candles, and it gives us a reward of 2.6. On the third position we did have another trend line which was broken here. We can risk here, enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 6.8 somewhere here. And it doesn't mean you should take all those 6 rewards, okay? Some people close the position somewhere here when they see that, pin bar, okay? But some people, wait and they don't close their position until they get a nice reward like this one. On the trade 4, we did have this small trend line here, a compression with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, as you can see it there. It was broken here or even here, depends on you, on the market. You want to enter here or here. For more safety, I did enter here. You can also enter here or wait for this candle to break a bit to the upside of this trend line, and you can enter buy position. I did enter here, set my stop loss below these candles, and it gives us a reward of 10, actually 11, and these trend line, pin bars that you can see. And if you have watched my previous analysis, I've told you that when you see these kind of shadows to the upside, okay, you can see, you know, 4 shadows here, okay, showing that the market is getting rejected from somewhere like here, okay. And also we didn't have any resistance in the past of the market, so you know, we don't have anything here, but the price is making shadows. It is showing weakness, okay. You can risk and enter sell positions here and put your stop loss somewhere far here, because you know, you can see, if imagine if you have entered by these candles here, okay, 3 shadows, let me clean it. You know, these 3 shadows, okay, you've entered here, set your stop loss above the candle, and this candle comes and activates your stop loss, then it makes a pin bar like this one, then it continues falling, okay. So you should put your stop loss somewhere far like this one here or even here, and look for your risk to reward too, which it gives us more than that, of course. On the trade 5, we did have a support line here. The price was falling a bit and touched this level, and this level was the level that actually caused the market's pump this much, okay. So this is an important level. When the price comes to this level in the future, it makes a pin bar like this one. We can risk on that, enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 3 here. And also we could also enter buy position on the next one too, here, somewhere here too. On the last position, trade 6, we did have a trend line broken here. We did have the chance to enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candles here, somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 3 somewhere here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to leave a comment for me. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Also make sure to watch my short analysis too, which I am gonna actually analyze different coins and different pairs in forex and crypto in the actually short videos. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.